iPad got stuck on black screen of death? Here's how to fix it with any iOS system repair. Let's get started. You can download the latest version on anydatarecovery.com. To start, connect your iPad. Then go to Repair Operating System field. Then tap Fix Now to repair in standard mode without data loss. Now follow the instructions to put your iPad into recovery mode. To proceed, click Download to get the firmware. If downloaded already, it'll be detected directly. Tap Repair Now to start repairing. It'll take a while. All you need to do is keep the iPad connected and have a cup of tea. The iPad will restart. Well done! Now wait for the device to boot up. This is how any iOS system repair fixes iPad black screen of death. For more tips, subscribe to us or go to anydatarecovery.com. And don't forget to share this video with your friend.